Hey folks, today we are going to check what are their thoughts regarding you, thoughts about you. Whenever they think about you, what do they think? Okay, so let's check that. Choose a deck which calls out to you intuitively, and yeah, think about that person and choose a deck which calls out to you. The timestamps are in the description column below. Okay, so yeah, pause the video and choose yours. Hey, deck one. Hey, folks, if you have chosen this beautiful Monday Mystic Tarot deck, let's check what are their thoughts towards you. Okay, think about the person as I'm shuffling the cards. Okay, when they think about you, what are their thoughts? What does this person think about you? We have Ten of Swords, Nine of Cups, King of Swords, okay, so looking at these cards, I feel like um when they think about you, they kind of have some kind of respect towards you. This person, whenever they think about you, I don't know, you might have been through a lot of shit and you might have shared it to them or been vulnerable to them or something like that in the past, which may now you have become stronger, but when they think about you, it's like she or he has been through a lot of shit, and I'm really proud. And this person looks still is a person who is very kind and genuine and happy, and I love that about them. Okay, this is the first thought which they get when they look at you or when they think about you. Okay, generally. And one more thing that I'm picking onto their energy is like there is some kind of I don't know conversation they want to bring. I don't know, some offer or some conversation that they would like to share, some truth. Okay, as we have King of Swords, they feel like the energy between you both is some kind of hazy, and they really need to clear the clouds of thoughts and bring clarity onto the table. And yeah, genuinely speak what connection that you both hold. Okay, they really want to speak up to you. They have been thinking of, I don't know what it is, but it's like it's a general collective reading, hun. Many people, I don't know, some people would know what am I talking about, but it's like tapping into energies. And I feel like this person that you have been asking about, there is something that they want to clear out. Some clarity is required in the connection that you both share in the relationship, and the thing is they really want to blood out their feelings. Okay, just letting it out. Okay, this may be someone from your past. So for some of you, I feel someone from your past. Okay, and for some of you, this might be a person who regrets whatever they did to you in the past, something of that sort. But their thoughts about you is like you are really happy, you are really happy, and you're doing amazing, you're doing great. And I don't know if you are or not, but or if you're pretending to show them that you're happy and you don't need them or something of that sort. But one thing that genuinely is coming from this person is they think that you are really happy without them, and they really have high respect for you. Sure, definitely, that is true, but I don't know, a sense of clarity they are seeking. Okay, and they really want to have a serious kind of conversation, the talk, yes, which is highlighted. And but they don't know how to proceed. Okay, they have been thinking about it a lot lately, and they don't know how to proceed. It's just like whenever they think that, now this is the time, I guess I must clear all those feelings, or just have this clarity about this connection. When they come forward, they look at you that you are doing amazing in your life, and definitely you don't need them. So they just get like intimidated, and they are like, okay, fuck it, they wouldn't, it's like they wouldn't care, so why bother, just let it be. And then the next second again they have this feeling, I just want to clear this out. I really can't be in that peaceful state until and unless I bring clarity. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. Anything else, we'll ask the cards, because okay, the deck energy is the Lovers. So definitely there is something, I don't know, they are kind of attracted to you. Okay, they are definitely attracted to you, but they don't know how to go about this, and they really need you to take the first step. Maybe they really need you to take the first step. Yes, and they have been waiting for you, they have been trying, but you don't, it's like they are somewhere hinting towards you, but they don't know how to go by, and they feel like, it's not happening. So they really want some kind of clarity or a clue. Okay, this is what I'm getting. So next we'll check anything else if the cards tell me. Okay, anything else? Anything else? Their thoughts. Think about the person as I'm shuffling. What does this person think about you? Anything else, universe? What does this person think about you? We have the Hermit, Ace of Wands, and Knight of Cups. Okay, so this is beautiful. So again, this person, the same thing, I'm getting the same message. I'm getting this person wants a new beginning with you, and they want to act upon whatever their feelings are, but they are just keeping it inside with the Hermit card here. Okay, they have been thinking about coming to you with an offer, but it's like it's just, it's not happening. In They have been keeping their feelings inside. They are isolating themselves. It's more like, not isolating, but they are hiding their feelings. Okay, when it comes to you, they are truly hiding their feelings, and they don't know what to do about it. They really need some kind of hint or clue, because it's definite that they don't know. They really have no idea what is going on in your head. Um, do you have any kind of feelings, or what do you feel about this connection? And they really want to share, like they really want to have an honest conversation with you. The intensity or the frequency that you both share, is it mutual, or is it, it's just in their head? They really want to clear things out. And looking at the Knight of Cups, I feel like they really want to come towards you, as we have Ace of Wands as well, bringing acting that, coming with an action, coming with the offer, acting upon their ideas or feelings. Because right next to it we have the Hermit. So whatever the feelings are towards you, they really want to act upon that and come towards you with an offer, but they are hiding it. They are just, kind of not scared. They are not scared, but they really want to know the, it's like they are not scared, they are definitely not scared. It's like they are so much into bringing the conversation, and they are really into being vulnerable. Okay, they are really prepared, but one thing that I'm getting why they are not taking action is it's more like more to do with you than them. It's like they have been doubting if you are feeling or if you have the mutual feelings towards them or not. So that is the reason they are holding back, and they wouldn't want to ruin the connection that you both share in the present moment. So this is what I'm getting. And another, for some set of people, for some set of for some collective people, it might resonate with, like They think that you are better off without them, and you're giving them that kind of vibe that you're really happy soul, you don't fucking need anyone, you're doing great, you're doing amazing, everything is fine in your life, you don't fucking care about any individual existing. So it's just like they think that you really don't need anyone, you are really happy and you're so much in the flow state. So it is like they are kind of why should I ruin that flow state of their. Okay, this is what I'm getting. And for some of you, if you think this, you are asking about an ex, so this ex definitely wants to come back to your life, but they have been deeply hurt with whatever actions they took in the past, and they are really scared of facing you. Okay, like if you would reject them for this message of getting scared, and if you would reject them is strongly coming from an ex rather than any individual friend or fears or person that you have been thinking. So if you're asking about your ex, so they are kind of scared, and um it's like they respect you honestly, but they have been hiding the feelings, like they really want to come back to you, but um they might think, it's you might reject them and you're really happy without them, and they just overall, if you're asking me, this person, for every individual who have chosen deck one, this person is expecting something from you, some sign or some hint or something that you are really interested on them. If you are, then give them hints. If not, then let it be. Okay. So this is what I'm getting. Pile one, I mean deck one. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or not. Thank you, guys. Hey, deck two, if you have chosen this beautiful Kippa Lenema deck, we'll check what are their thoughts towards you. What does this person think about you? As I'm shuffling the card, think about that certain person you're asking about, and we'll see. Okay, that's what are the thoughts about you? What does this person think about you? We have concern. Okay, concern, wow. So, what does this person think about you? We have high honor, wow. So this person definitely respects you. Okay. Community. Okay. Okay, so what does this person think about you? So as we have concern, high honor, and community, looking at the community, I feel like this person really enjoys the relationship the you both share in the present moment, and sometimes they wander around thinking if the relationship that you both share right now, if it goes to another level, how it would feel like, and they will feel like, oh my god, I've won the world. I'm sorry. So one thing that I'm getting is this person thinks you're a person who gives them a lot of joy, a lot of happiness, a lot of warm feeling, embracing feeling. Like, you are a sun in their life. Definitely, they think that. And also, they have this kind of feeling towards you that whatever they are feeling or thinking towards you, is it right, am I doing something wrong, I don't know. Um it's like they are doubting themselves if whatever feelings or thoughts they have towards you, mostly feelings that they really want to take forward with the relationship that you both shared, and they sometimes think maybe what I'm thinking is actually wrong. I shouldn't think that. And I don't know why. But looking at the concern card, I feel like they genuinely sometimes think, no. They are really unclear about you. They are really confused when it comes to you, and it's not you that they are it's like the factor of confusion is not coming from you, rather than some other aspect of their life is, overpowering the decision they want to make towards you. Okay, so I feel like, I don't know why, but they have been thinking, whatever they have, whatever their thoughts are, feelings are towards you, it's like, oh my god, no, why would I think of such thing? Like, she's my friend, or she's this, she's that, and I shouldn't have this kind of feelings towards her. She is really he or she is really a genuine person, and I don't think so I should go about it. And yeah, this person thinks that you are a genuine soul, you are really pure, you're really happy, really warm, and someone who is really, really comforting, and like home, like family, really comforting. Okay, but at times they have these thoughts that, if we, like, if is coming the most, if we would share a relationship, or something to the next level, like things would be much more beautiful, and something like that. And I don't know, some kind of regret is being seen here also for some this is a collective general reading. So some set of people, they have been regretting the decisions they have made, and they are really genuinely sorry. Okay, I don't know, maybe they chose someone else over you, or maybe they, I don't know, something happened in the past, or I don't know, some regrets is being seen here, or maybe it's, or just it might be something like, if you both were not ever in a relationship, if it's not your ex or someone, if it's just a friendship, or a mutual friend, a group, like, homies, then this person regrets thinking of you in a really sexual way. Okay, so this is what I'm getting. But I mean, at times they think it's wrong to think about you in a certain way, I'm getting. But yeah, looking at the high honor, I also feel this person that you have been thinking about. At times, they wouldn't even know, but they get sexually attracted towards you. And yeah, I'm getting this vibe. And okay, so anything else when they think about you? You're warm, you're elegant, you're genuine. Maybe you might be kind of lazy, I don't know, or you might think this person is lazy. I don't know, laziness is highlighted, or it's just that whenever your thought strikes to them, they get so lazy. It's like, oh my god, why do I have to be, I don't know, it's more like, you definitely give them energy, but whenever they think about you, it's more like, why the, oh my god, if only we both might have shared this. I I hope you're getting my point. I don't know. Yeah, they wallow a little, like a lot, to be honest, and it's really it's like a childish thing. Okay, childish as in the sense, if you promise a child to give them chocolate if they finish their homework, but the deadline got over, and they feel, oh my god, only if I would have completed the homework I would have gotten that chocolate and that candy and stuff. So I don't know, this is coming in. So this was just an example. Okay, so we'll see what else, the universe is showing us. When they think about you, what are their thoughts? Like, what are their thoughts about you? What are What are the thoughts about you? Official person, part 3, male, female. So definitely they want to make, they want to risk it. They want to, they want to take a chance, and they are in the present situation and looking up into the future how you both might be, if you both might be together, triple two. So definitely they have this feeling that if you both go to that next level or try it out for once at least, how would it turn out to be? It's like that. I don't know, some regret is also highlighted, but they really want to genuinely try it out first, to how this relationship would go. And we have gift, so definitely this will be a blessing for them if you say yes. But um mm, their thoughts about you, this person really want, this person, as I said before, it's like in the current state they think how would the things would turn out if you both have been taking the relationship that you share in the present moment into the next level. And they look into the future timeline and they feel, oh my god, everything is so happy and beautiful, and I missed it, and I don't know. A lot of missing is highlighted here. Okay, missing chance or missing an opportunity or missing you even. So definitely this is highlighted. These are the thoughts about about you. Okay, these are the thoughts of the person that you've been asking about. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or not. Yes, thank you. Hey, deck tree, if you have chosen this beautiful Under the Roses Lenema deck, let's check what are their thoughts towards you. What does this person think about you? What are their thoughts? As I'm shuffling the cards, think about that certain person. What does this person think about you? We have the stars. We have the fish. So definitely this is nice. I don't know, I'm getting this feeling that they really want to talk to you. Not in the sense that they have really some important conversation to share, but it's more like, they really want to, they find your aura or energy really comfortable, and they love talking to you, even if it's nothing or gossiping or just talking and laughing. They really want to spend time with you. Yes, they really want to I'm sorry. um they really want to spend time with you, talk to you about nothing and everything, and have fun and feel light. Okay, it's like you bring that vibe of comfort and hope. Yes, 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 hope is highlighted. I don't know, it's like even this person thinks whenever you both talk, there is a lot of problems they always have in their life, messed up things and stuff. And when they talk to you, they feel like, their burden is being released. Like they don't have to worry about anything, and stuff like that is being highlighted. Now, let's pull out another card. What are the thoughts when it comes to you? This person. The sun. So this is so beautiful. Okay, wait. So definitely one thing which is highlighted is this person thinks you're really, really charming, amazingly charming, beautiful, and you have those eyes, they get pulled towards, and they love your aura. Okay, they love your aura. And one more vibe, one more thing that I'm getting is they are really proud of you. I don't know, you are being really independent and you are being really strong, and you're winning. It's like they're looking at you and you're doing it, you're trying it, you're winning, and they're feeling, oh my god, this person, I am really proud, I'm genuinely proud. And you inspire them. Yes, definitely you inspire them to do more better. But I don't know, um, um I don't know what relationship you both share, the person that you have asked about and you. But for some of you guys who are watching this video, might be in a TF connection, twin flame connection. Okay, they would resonate with this because most probably I feel this might be a TF connection. But if you're not in a TF connection, it's okay. Do not ask me what is TF. No, shh. You'll know it. Inner knowingness is the one which guides you towards your twin flame connection. So if you don't know about it, then you are not meant to know about it. Just know that, okay? So genuinely, if the person that you're asking about, they really believe in the signs and synchronicities, I feel. And I don't know, for some of you guys, this is the person, the one. I don't know, I'm getting this vibe. And the person that have been asking about, the universe is shouting at me, tell them it's the one, tell them it's the one in their life. And this is beautiful, and I see you both having a very luxurious lifestyle, and very freedom is highlighted, luxury is highlighted, happiness, joy, succeeding, victory, luck, everything all together, abundant lifestyle is highlighted if you both be together. Even if it's just a friend of yours, yes, if you stay friends forever, definitely it is highlighted that you both are gonna rock the world, win the world. So a lot of sunshine, hope, stars, and luxury, and I don't know, maybe you both, one of you or you both might be water sign. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, anything. But definitely they really admire you. They are really proud of you. They really get inspired from you, and you make them feel really comfortable and happy, and they feel really happy in your presence, okay? So this is what I'm getting. And when they think about you, they feel like you're some kind of an otherworldly creature only. Okay, don't take it in a weird way, but they look at you and they feel like, this person here is some kind of light, some divine creature, something divine. Okay, like the way they smile or the way their eyes are, or it's just the aura that you give. It's just that looking at you or talking to you or just being around your presence, let them feel like calm waters, still, and everything is all right, and everything is so warm and blessing, and as if you're living in heaven. Okay, this is what I'm getting. So again, we'll see, we'll check, we'll ask the universe, anything else, what are the thoughts towards you, what are the thoughts towards you, what are this person's thoughts. And we have the ring. So definitely they really want to come towards you with an offer. mm, what does this person think about you? I don't know, offer or something. But yeah, the one, as I said before, it's highlighted. Maybe this is an assurance from the universe to you guys that, this person is the one for you. And if you have been thinking about going to them, or blooding out your feelings or confessing them, then go do it, because it's like it's the one, definitely. So we have the locket over here as the deck energy. But you said anything else, universe, let me know. The lady is so beautiful. So we have the lady with the ring, and you know what I mean. Yeah, We'll pull another card, one card. What are the thoughts towards you? The garden. This is so beautiful. The garden is highlighted. So definitely they look at you as a person full of roses and flowers, and You are a nature, like you really are, because we have the deck energy as the lilies. So this is beautiful, definitely beautiful. And lilies also say like celebration, reunion. Yes, if you are in a TF journey, reunion or celebration, joy, offer, proposal, engagement. We have the ring already, so something of that sort. One more thing that I'm getting is like they are very intuitive. I don't know. But for some of you guys, they're really intuitive, and they know from inner knowingness. They already know that you are gonna come towards them and think like you both are meant to be together, and they know that. And it's like their intuition has already guided them towards you in their journey, and they really want to make things official. Okay, they really want to come towards you with an offer, with commitment, reconciliation for some of you people, but reunion is highlighted. So definitely this person already knows that, oh, he or she is already mine, I don't have to worry, they're gonna come towards me. And until then they are living their life, and you know but you also inspire them. They also have this feeling that, I don't know, I'm getting this vibe, they have this feeling they already know you in the sense, some kind of knowing is highlighted. Okay, somewhere like, their soul to your soul, saying that, I've been searching for you and you're here, and some kind of strange connection that you both share, and they really know about it. Okay, they really know that you both share some kind of strange connection. And if you have been thinking about, do they feel the same way, then definitely they do. And so things are gonna happen. I feel like, oh my god, this is like, this card has the most positive reading than the other two. And it says that, yeah, something is gonna happen in the near future between you both. And I'm excited. Definitely excited. So, yes, I just picked up on whatever I felt, their thoughts towards you. They also feel like you're a person with grace. Grace highlighted, someone who is really an empath, who is really genuine, loyal, and grace, wisdom, a lot of things. Someone who carries themselves really in a very gentle way, and they are really proud of you. Okay, this is what I'm getting, and they genuinely like you. Okay, so this was the reading, deck 3. Please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or not. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.